Hi there guys and gals, good day. I'm here once again in Taytay, the junk shop that I've been selling my scraps. Hi! Hello! Welcome to my day 5. Day 5 na ba to or day 6? Day 5. Wow! Thank you Lord for all the wonderful blessings. Shout out to each every one of you, okay? Oh, may coins ka?
Coins po.
Thank you. So if you have scraps, guys and girls, you can have it and then sell it to the junk shop. Remember, you can find money in trash and in scraps and junkies.
Hi! Hi!
Yak! Bye for now! Extra income.
Ayan na! Hi! Ano pangalan?
Hendrix AA!
Follow niya.
Bye!